Might have been my fault. Footage. Whoa. That was like 10 minutes of pulling wrappers apart. So that's what you get the kids to do, and they're okay. Let's see. Is that how we do that? So we have 24 spring rolls that are filled with Thai chicken curry, Thai chicken curry chow mein noodles with pepperoni, and then there's bean sprouts and cabbage. Deal with it. These are going in the freezer and they're for the air fryer. Air fryer recipes. Oh, they're like super snappy. I'm made for sausage. That's like the perfect vessel for eating stuff and putting stuff into. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah.
Oh. And then there's the cabbage and the onion and sprouts and the curry. And you're not sure what the pepperoni is, but it's there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious. Yum. Yum.